Ramoji sir for giving us the wonderful opportunity to present our idea. Today our topic is AI and ML for energy efficiency and carbon reduction. This is me with my teammates Soham, Hazra and Sandipan, Rakshit. This is our introduction, content part. There is introduction, energy optimization problem, the twin problem on the global energy and efficient energy, role of AI and ML to rescue tech giants project, carbon footprint and its effect on Earth, relation between carbon and energy crisis, use of AI to reduce carbon footprint, Saudi Arabia's project in Line City, and the conclusion part. Nowadays climate change is a very pressing issue of our time, and we need to reduce the climate change and carbon emission, and AIML have the potential to play a significant role in it. And let us know about the energy optimization problem. Energy optimization problem involves the finding efficient ways to produce, distribute, and use energy to minimum waste and maximum output. Energy optimization and climate change. Energy optimization is directly related to climate change as it focuses on reducing the carbon emission and combat climate change. Then what is climate change? Climate change refers to the long-term shifts of temperature and weather patterns. It is in some natural processes there are some natural processes like solar radiation, orbital change, volcanic activity, ocean currents, etc. And also some man's contribution to the climate change. There is greenhouse gas emissions and deforestation. And other processes are industrial processes, agriculture, land use changes, etc. Then there are twin problems of global energy. There are energy poverty. There are some countries in the world where the energy carbon emissions are very low, and the countries don't have clean cooking fuels and electricity as well. The countries use the carbon in an entire year, which is compared to US in the 4 days. In the high energy generating countries, there are second energy problem. Diana Ivanova and Richard Wood in 2020 have just shown that the 1% in UE emit on European Union emit on average 43 tons of carbon dioxide annually, 9 times as much as global average of 4.8 tons. And there are Paris Agreement. The Paris Agreement is an international climate accord adopted in 2015. The aim of the Paris Agreement is to save and increase forest area, hold the increase in global temperature to 2 degrees centigrade and limit temperature increase to 1.5 degrees centigrade and increase ability to adapt the climate change. Now let us know about the energy efficiency. Energy efficiency refers to the utilization of energy with minimal waste and maximum output. By employing advanced technologies, improving the system design, etc. There are some implementation of energy efficiency to win the war against our plant's extinction. There are reducing greenhouse gas effects. By using efficient energy, we can reduce our greenhouse gas emissions. We can lower our energy bills and improve our comfort needs. There are some examples like if we use CFL bulb instead of incandescent bulb, we save $75 per year as our energy bills. And if we use Energy Star refrigerator instead of a normal standard refrigerator, then we use 20% less than the standard refrigerator of energy, and we save $100 per year as our energy bill. Now I would like to talk Sandipan for the further presentation.
So, good afternoon, everyone. Good afternoon, sir. Here, this is Sandipan. As my friend Akash has left off on the topic of efficient energy. Let's move on to the next topic. The most important topic of our presentation is the role of artificial intelligence and machine learning to get rescue from the entire problem. So, let's jump in. So, by listening the topic, the first question comes in your mind that what is artificial intelligence and machine learning? So, AI, so artificial intelligence is a computer science field aiming to create machines that mimic human intelligence and decision making. Whereas machine learning, a subset of AI, enables machine to learn from data without explicit programming. It uses statistical technologies to recognize patterns to make predictions. ML models are built through data training to make informed decisions on new data. These technologies have transformative potential across the various industries. So right now, many small and big tech companies are use artificial intelligence and machine learning to improve the energy efficiency in a number of ways. So the first point is smart buildings. So smart buildings, in the point of smart buildings, AI can be used to optimize the energy consumption in buildings by analyzing data from sensors and automating heating, cooling and lighting system. For example, AI can be used to adjust the temperature in buildings based on the occupancy level or to turn on light in rooms that are not in use. So the next point is smart grids. AI can be used to improve efficiency of grid by magnetic demand and supply of electricity. For example, AI can be used to predict peak demands and adjust prices accordingly, or to dispatch renewable energy sources more effectively. So the next point is transportation. AI are also used in transportation, like AI can be used to improve the efficiency of transportation by optimizing the routes, scheduling the deliveries, and managing the traffic. For example, AI can be used to predict traffic congestion and reroutes vehicles accordingly, or to optimize the right top of the slide. As we can see that the walking, cycling, or using the low weight vehicles uses low energy, whereas the top of the cycle we can see there are sports cars which uses almost up to 1710 joules per meter per second of energy. So we can say that it will be a wiser decision to use low weight vehicles. So the next topic is manufacturing. AI can be used to improve manufacturing efficiency the efficiency of manufacturing by optimizing the producing the process and reducing the waste. For example, AI can be used to identify inefficiency in production line or to predict where the equipment is likely to fail. Here on the right side of the slide, we have given a pictorial presentation of the manufacturing process by using AI and ML. We can see that at first the raw materials are processed by through the barriers and drivers, and then the main process takes place. The efficient manufacturing is done through a multi-based way where the information communication technologies, strategic approach, strategic tools, and at least the main manufacturing process takes place. So here we have given some normal example that giant tech companies are implementing through AI and ML to save our planet. The first project is done by our dream company Google. The name of the project is Google DeepMind and Data Center Efficiency. So Google DeepMind is a cutting-edge AI system was developed to optimize the energy efficiency of its data centers. By analyzing the vast amount of operational data, DeepMinds learn how to adjust cooling system and optimize power usage, resulting in a 40% reduction in energy consumption. That exemplifies how AI-infused AI ML can be applied to data centers and large-scale computing facilities to significantly minimize the carbon footprint. So the next project is done by Microsoft. Microsoft AI for art programs use AI and machine learning to tackle the environmental challenges and to including the reducing carbon emission. One of their projects involves using of AI to to optimize energy consumption in buildings. The AI system analyzes data from sensors and adjusts HVAC system to improve energy efficiency, contributing to reduce the carbon footprints of building and facilities. Right now, the most popular company, Tesla, are also focusing on this topic. So let's have a discussion. Tesla, pioneering electric vehicle manufacturer, imports AI-infused AI/ML in vehicles to optimize energy consumption. The AI-powered autopilot system intelligently manages the vehicle's energy usage, optimizing speed, acceleration, and braking patterns to conserve battery life and extend the driving range. By maximizing energy efficiency, Tesla's AI technology promotes the absorption of EVs, which leads to a reduction in overall transportation related carbon emissions. So the next point is Carbon Cure's AI infused concrete solution. Carbon Cure, a company focusing on sustainable construction. Using AI to optimize concrete production and reduce carbon emission, their technologies infused captured CO2 into concrete, sequestering the carbon and making the concrete more environmentally friendly. By implementing this AI-infused approach, construction companies can lower the embodies of carbon of their projects. The next project is done by IBM. The next project is done by IBM AI for Environmental Insights. IBM AI Environmental Insights platform utilizes AI and IoT technologies to monitor and manage environmental impacts in cities. The platform gathers data on various factors including energy consumption, transportation, and waste management. By analyzing the data in cities and identify areas for energy optimization and emission reduction, leading to more sustainable urban environments. So the next project is done by the company Siemens, AI powered energy management. Siemens, a global engineering company, leverages AI-powered energy management system to optimize energy usage in industrial plants. The AI algorithm monitor the production of schedules and market prices to make real-time adjustment and minimize energy waste. By doing so, Siemens helps industries to reduce their carbon emission and reduction cost. So thank you everyone. The next one will describe my friend Soham Hazra.
I would like to continue from where my friend Sandipan left off. So let us look at the slide. The first slide tells carbon footprint and its effects on Earth. So what is carbon footprint? Now, carbon footprint refers to the total amount of greenhouse gas emitted that is mainly comprised of carbon. The concept of carbon footprint is based on the understanding that greenhouse gases released into the environment creates a layer that can prevent heat from escaping Earth, thus increasing the temperature of our Earth, and it causes harm to our planet as well as our life. Now I would like to discuss about the effects of carbon emission on our planet. Now, excess accumulation of greenhouse gases in the atmosphere leads to global warming. This triggers changes in weather pattern and severe extreme weather events. Rising sea levels is also a effect from this. Now, another effect of excessive carbon dioxide in our environment is ocean acidification. When carbon dioxide dissolves into oceanic water, it turns into HCO3 or carbonic acid. So this acidified water is very harmful for our aquatic biodiversity, and it affects mostly coral reefs because they have their outer shell made out of calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. The Amazon rainforest, often referred to as lungs of the earth, is facing deforestation due to human activities like logging and agriculture, all contributing to the increased carbon emissions. Now there is a chart on the right. In this chart we can see that on the x-axis the timeline is mentioned, and on the y-axis the land area in hectares is mentioned. The broken line means the intended tree coverage, and the normal line reflects the actual coverage that we are having now. We can see that it is much less than the intended tree coverage. Let's move on to the next slide. In this slide, we discuss about the air quality and health effects for excess carbon emission. High levels of greenhouse gas emissions contribute to poor air quality, which can affect our human health and leads to respiratory issues and other health problems. Also, biodiversity loss is caused by excessive carbon related gases. Now, after all this knowledge gained, a question pops in our mind that what is the relation between carbon emission and energy crisis? So I can say surely that the relation between energy optimization and carbon footprint is tightly intertwined, because by optimizing energy usage we can significantly reduce the consumption of fossil fuel that leads to lower greenhouse gas emissions, and that results into the decrease in greenhouse gases released into the atmosphere. Now there is a pie chart here given that states the carbon dioxide emissions by country all over the world. In this pie chart, we can see that 20% of global carbon dioxide emission is caused by China, because we all know that in Asia, China is the major country which produces electronics and other equipment. So they contribute to the most of the carbon emissions. Then we can see rest of the world 21%, after that United States, and after that India, Japan, and so on. Now I would like to discuss about the use of AI to reduce carbon footprint. When we talk about renewable energy sources, windmill is the first thing that pops in our mind. So in the wind energy sector, the people face challenges in maintaining the turbine performance and reducing downtime. Now AI can help us in maintaining the wind turbines by predictive technologies. For instance, a company named General Electric utilized AI algorithms to analyze real-time data from wind turbines. Now there is a pictorial representation of smart grids, as my friend Sandipan stated before. So a smart grid is actually a network of integrated microgrids that can monitor and heal itself. There are small parts of a smart grids. The first is generators, because the energy is generated from somewhere, and if the generators generate energy, then they have to be stored somewhere. So they are stored in the storage in cells, and then it is pumped to the houses or for general use. In the houses there are smart appliances. These smart appliances use the electricity and smartly can shut off in response to frequency changes. There are also sensors employed in this system which can detect fluctuations and disturbances and can signal for isolation. Now we look to another company named Carbon Clean Solutions that help capturing carbon. Now Carbon Clean Solutions, an AI focused company, they use machine learning algorithms to optimize the process of carbon capturing. They offer cost effective carbon capture technology to the industrial emitters at gigaton scale. Their technology captures carbon dioxide and it increases the efficiency. Now we would like to see a new project from Saudi Arabia. It is the construction of NEOM, a city that is called the Line. The line is a groundbreaking urban project by Saudi Arabia employing AI technologies to increase and optimize sustainable development. By integrating AI control systems and machine learning, we can do smart grid management and real-time data analysis. AI can optimize the resource usage that enhances energy efficiency and minimizes waste. Let us watch a video on this city.
Humanity has existed within dysfunctional and polluted cities that ignore nature. Now, a revolution in civilization is taking place. Imagine a traditional city and consolidating its footprint, designing to protect and enhance nature. The line will be home to 9 million residents and will be built with a footprint of just 34 square kilometers. And we are designing it to provide a healthier, more sustainable quality of life. The line's communities are organized in 3 dimensions. Residents have access to all their daily needs within 5-minute walk neighborhoods. And the line's infrastructure makes it possible to travel end to end in 20 minutes with no need for cars, resulting in 0 carbon emissions. By leveraging AI technology, services are autonomous, saving you time and effort. Designed by world-leading architects, the line is 500 meters tall, 200 meters wide, 170 kilometers long, and housed within an elegant mirror glass facade. Intelligent solutions create efficiency and year-round temperate microclimate with natural ventilation. Energy and water supplies are 100% renewable. The line is designed as a series of unique communities, offering a wealth of amenities, providing equitable views and immediate access to the surrounding nature. With 40% of the world accessible within 6 hours, at the heart of the globe's key trade routes, a place for commerce and communities to thrive like nothing on earth seen before. The line, the city that delivers new wonders for the world.
That was the video. Now, with all that knowledge included, I would like to conclude that incorporating artificial intelligence and machine learning into carbon emission reduction and energy efficiency efforts presents a transformative solution for a sustainable future. AIML's real-time data analysis and predictive modeling and optimization capabilities empower industries to make informed decisions, minimizing environmental impact and creating a future that is greener, cleaner, and more efficient in every way possible. I would hope that this will pave the way for a greener, efficient, and harmonizing technological advancement in the future. These are the references we took from all over the internet. Thank you.